Hello everybody, it's March 31st, 2025. It's Top Fun Guy here, and this is my new boat. As you know, I sold Gulf Mariner. I'm downsizing, and I picked up this 17-foot Davidson Chugger. I've been looking at these for about 30 years. I've always thought they were a really nice little, cruising boat. This one's a bit of a project, as you can see. It's in pretty rough shape, but basically solid. Just give you the tour from the outside. Here's my little Davidson sailboat that I fixed up over the winter. So the Davidson Chugger is basically the same thing, but bigger with the diesel engine. And yeah, so it's got a 2-cylinder Kubota diesel engine, rated at about, I think, maximum 14 horsepower at full RPM. So she's a bit of a wreck right now. Someone's got her set up for pulling crab traps and prawn traps. The engine box is rotten. All of this is going to be changed and renewed at some point. But there's a little helm position. Needs all new windows, but that's what I used to do for a living, so that's not a problem. So here's the helm position, controls. It's got a V-berth with a head underneath, which is pretty cool for such a little boat. So yeah, it's a V-berth, windows, down the floor of the head, looking out to the cockpit. It's got a dry exhaust. You can see the exhaust pipe going up through the roof. I'll probably put a bulkhead in at the aft end of the coach roof here, either canvas or fiber. So after a day, I've got the engine box out or off, a lot of the crap out of the boat. This is the engine. It's a Kubota Z600-B. Looks terrible, but I did do a whole bunch of work to it already. Doesn't look like it, but there was some water in the oil. Looks like it had just been there recently because nothing was rusty. I rebuilt the starter and the solenoid, fixed the water pump, the salt water pump, the raw water pump, fixed the thermostat, which was stuck. There's another bit of a view of the inside. There's the head. There's a board that goes over it. All the cushions are out, but that's that. There's the engine again. Now I'm just going to fire it up. Put the glow plugs on for a second. Bit of throttle.